He can sound like a clock. He can tick. He can talk. He can sound like a hand on a door. Knock, knock. Boom, boom, boom. Mr. Brown is a wonder. Boom, boom, boom. He can sound like thunder. He makes lightning splat, splat, splat. It's very, very hard to make a noise like that. Mr. Brown can whisper, whisper. Very soft, very high. Like the soft, soft whisper of a butterfly. Maybe you can too. I think you ought to try. Oh, the wonderful sounds Mr. Brown can do. Why don't you try to do them too? Turn the page and let's review. Moo, moo. Bzz, bzz. Pop, pop. Plop. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Hoo, hoo. Dibble, dibble, dop. Tick-tock. Knock, knock. Boom, boom. Boom. Splat. Splat. Boom. Boom, boom. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Whisper, whisper. Boom. 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 Splat. Tap, tap, tap. Can you tap? Hey, can you tap?